Hey guys, thanks for watching. In this video I show that I got a new fender. I also talk about how I didn't like how the bodywork turned out on my old fender, and as you can see I Jascoed the new one, and I will install it and spray it to match the sealer on the car. Alright, excuse my garage right now, it's thrashed. If you've watched my recent videos, I sealer primered the wagon. I'm not very happy with the bodywork on this fender. Just couldn't get the lines right. Anyway, finally got a hold of a fender from a dude I met on Facebook in one of the groups. It's original paint, undamaged, unrepaired anyway. It's got a couple little dings, but nothing that I don't think I can fix. Anyway, so I'm gonna Jasco it, and here is the wagon currently. This is about 4 days after sealer. It's dry, but the sealer can says to wait several days before you spray the featherfill. So I'm gonna wait a few more days and yeah, go from there. This blotchiness you see here is filler Bondo. I can't wait to do the featherfill and start blocking it out, because I think it's gonna be surprisingly straight and I'm excited about it. Anyway, stay tuned. My next video will feature the featherfill being sprayed. Thanks for watching. Alright, got this fender all stripped. I didn't film a bunch of it, but Jascoed it 2 or 3 times, and then I hit it with the wire wheel, cleaned the crap out of it, and then I hit it with the red scuff pad, cleaned it again, wax and grease remover, and now I'm ready for paint. I scuffed the edges of the car to a couple inches because you know, just so in case the gun hits it, which I'm sure it will. Anyway, so just gonna mix up a little bit of paint and spray this real quick.